ओके तो ये कबीर का नया टॉय है। ये है ड्रिलिंग एक्शन टूल सेट 2 to 6 years ओल्ड और इसमें 11 पीसेस हैं। एडल्ट असेंबली रिक्वायर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम देयर एंड इट्स फ्रॉम फिशर प्राइस। इस तरफ देखते हैं क्या लिखा हुआ है। ऑल द बेस्ट DIYers प्रॉब्ली स्टार्टेड दिस वे, मोर प्रिटेंड प्ले। ठीक है, इसके अंदर ये सारे टॉयज़ हैं, ड्रिलिंग मशीन है, ये सारा प्लास्टिक का बना हुआ है तो घबराने वाली बात नहीं है। और ये है कितने का देखते हैं। सॉरी यहीं पे प्राइस दिया हुआ है, ये है 1999 का, 1999 का। तो आइए कबीर को देते हैं और देखते हैं कि उसका क्या रिएक्शन है। ड्रिलिंग मशीन, ओह माय गॉड,
You chose it yourself, Kabir. You know that?
you like it?
Oh, you're so excited.
तो देखो ये आपका बॉक्स है।
Kabu, where's the drilling machine? Okay, nice.
Look
Very
at mama,
nice.
look at mama. Mama को
Show
thank you
me.
बोलो।
Ah, and show me how are you excited? Excited?
Yes कर दो, yes. मम्मा को yes बता दो।
Too busy doing it. चलो open.
Let's see what's inside. Mama. It has the toolbox.
Okay. Kabir, see. It has so many things. Come fast, come fast, come fast.
Sit.
Sit down.
Then it has these.
Okay, what are these?
This is where you keep all the screws.
Okay.
And then it has all the screws.
Oh, it has a screws also, Kabir. Show me the
All of
screws.
these pieces it has.
Okay. Superb. Kabir is all set. Okay, look at him. Oh my God, he's trying.
And here is your grill set. Take it. That's yours. Oh my God.
Show me, show me, show me. How does it work, Kabir? That's so cool.
Okay, Dad, I will show you how it works. Hang on. Dad, I will show you. Come here, this is how it works. You gotta find this piece and do it like this. See? Yes, where are the rest of the pieces?
Kabir, see the screws gone inside. Wait, let Daddy
See,
show
see,
you.
this is how it happens.
You want it? Daddy's gonna
Yeah.
give it to you. Oh my God!
Screw! Yeah,
One
clap
screw is
it!
fixed. Yeah, he wants to do the next one.
Put it.
Okay. Acha, he knows how to fix the driller bee. My God. Kabir, it's not even a minute since you've got it.
Wait.
I can't wait. Can't wait anymore. Daddy, he's drilling.
Oh my God. No, you don't put the drilling machine here. You put this.
First put the screw, Kabir.
Okay, not the drilling machine. Wait. Stop it. Stop. Take. Ready? This one. Put it here. Ah, yes.
Oh my God, Kabir.
Do it with
Kabir,
this.
you're drilling?
No, this screw is for this one. This one is for this.
He wants to do that.
It won't go in there. Kabir, this is for this one. See? Wait, Dad, I will show you. You hold this in your hand. And ask Mama. Tell Mama.
Yes, Baba. Oh my
Do it,
God,
do it,
this
do it, do
is
it.
so cool, Kabir.
You do it yourself. Baba.
He's so excited about the driller.
Yes,
Look
come on.
at his
Drill it.
expression.
You gotta do it properly.
Kabir, happy?
Yes, yes.
I don't
do
think
it.
he'll talk to any of us for the next one day because he'll be so busy with it.
हो गया done हो गया
Ooh,
now you can take it out
nice.
also. Now you can take it out. Do it. Press.
Oh my god, it's coming out, Kabir, it's
Take it out,
coming out. Very nice. Oh my god, it came out.
Take it out.
Kabir,
Yay!
wow, you were able to take the screw out.
Now you have to paste these, okay? Like this. You have to make a box. Make a box. No, not like that. First you put this one in. Wait. Stop it. Stop.
Okay, driller ready?
Okay, now this one goes inside. Come on. Do it.
Kabir, what do you say when it
Okay,
falls?
come on. Come on. Do it.
Come on, Kabir. Yes,
Tell
nice.
Mama. Do it.
Very nice.
Do it.
I
Do
can
with
see
the-
it.
Do it with the driller.
Oh my god, it's coming. Very nice.
ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे.
Look at his expression.
Do it. Press. करो. Press करो.
Kabir, you drilled it.
Made a box.
Oh my god, you made a box.
And Mama, look. It's like a toolbox.
Okay.
You can keep all the tools inside like this.
Okay. Okay.
And all the screws here.
So what are the black ones?
Black ones are the heads now.
Okay. For the driller, right?
For the screws, Marcy. Different heads for different screws.
Look at my son. He's so busy drilling. Mr.
Yes.
Engineer!
It's not a gun.
It's not a gun.
It's a drilling machine.
I mean,
It's not a gun.
no, but it's creative to use it as a
Yeah,
gun.
yeah. Wait.
So that's a good thing, Kabir.
That I will show you. तो कबीर अपने नए ड्रिलिंग टॉय मशीन के साथ खेलने में लगा हुआ है। ये एक्चुअली 2 to 6 year old है, तो इसलिए कबीर को मतलब उतना प्रोफेशनली समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन जितना भी आ रहा है वो बहुत अच्छे से खेल रहा है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है। वो एक्सप्रेशंस बना के और सारे स्क्रूज इधर उधर लगा के इसको गन की तरह बना के और इसको ड्रिलिंग मशीन की तरह बना के हर चीज़ बना के खेल रहा है, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है। और अगर मैं इस टॉय की बात करूं तो इस टॉय की बिल्ड क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है। इसका जो प्लास्टिक मटेरियल है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है, मतलब स्टर्डी प्लास्टिक मटेरियल है, चीप रबर चीप प्लास्टिक नहीं है। और इसके साथ जो टूल बॉक्स आया है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है डिज़ाइन इसका। और जैसे जैसे बेबी बड़ा होगा, अगर ये सारे पार्ट्स नहीं घूमे तो ये डेफिनेटली कभी को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे ये बिल्कुल करना सीख जाएगा। तो ये DIY, हाँ शार्प वगैरह तो नहीं है, DIY क्राफ्ट है ये। तो डू इट योरसेल्फ वाले एक्टिविटीज़ सिखाने के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा टॉय है, इसीलिए हमने ये लेके भी दिया कबीर को। बाय द वे ये कबीर ने खुद चूज़ किया था, तो वो भी एक अच्छी बात है। और जो उसने टॉय खुद चूज़ किया है उसको ऑलमोस्ट आता भी है कि ये कैसे चलाना है। हाँ, गन तो आपको आता ही है बिल्कुल। नो यू हैव टू प्रेस इट। No, you have to press it once. Press it nicely.
First stop it.
Stop.
Pressing it.
Yes, now put it inside
Inside.
and then press it a little.
No.
Take your hands off this gun. Yes, now.
Now put it inside.
And now press.
Press. Is it done?
Yes, it's done. It's
Oh
done.
my
Oh
God.
my God, very good. Very good. How did you do
You
that?
were able to do that.
Oh, you took it out. And now how do you put it back?
Now how about putting this one? Use this one.
Take it out. You have to leave this now.
I won't let you touch it. That's a baby's reaction when you try to take something that they are loving. Give it to daddy.
Give me the toy. Give me the drilling machine.
Okay.
He doesn't want to give it.
What do you say when you don't want to give it to daddy? Look at his face. Okay, yes, very good job. Good job.
Kapoor, do you like your toy? Do you like it?
Uh-oh. Oh, you did it! Clapping for Kabir. You are doing it to camera.